Ready to smash the PT and nail those Retell lecture and describe image tasks. Step 1 structure is key. In both tasks, start with a solid introduction for Retell lecture. Summarize the main idea in a single sentence for describe image. State the image type and overall trend next. Talk about at least 3 key details. Step to master the vocabulary. For Retell lecture, build a vocabulary bank related to the lecture topic. Use phrases like according to the speaker or the lecture emphasized for describe image. Use descriptive adjectives and comparatives like significant increase or more than. Practice these daily. Step 3 focus on fluency. Record yourself speaking and listen back. Reduce filler words like and ah. Practice speaking at a steady pace without sounding rushed. For describe image, pause briefly to think each time you are giving out points. Step for practice. Practice with past paper questions and take mock tests to get familiar with the exam format. Analyze your mistakes and learn from them. Remember, consistency is your best friend. That's it. Implement these 4 strategies, be consistent, and you'll be well on your way to scoring 70 in your T exam. Like and subscribe.